now, turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is normally Make It Monday, but we're going to do something a little different today. So I am part of an Easter collab with 10 other YouTubers. So Pat from Blessed GMP put this together for us, and there were a few rules for this little collab. We each were sending each other boxes of stuff. Now, I know the cap was $30, but now I'm going to have to check the notes to tell you guys what all the other rules were for this collab. So each box limit was $30. That was the maximum that you could spend. But each box needed to contain one makeup product, at least one makeup product, one skincare product, an apparel, could be socks, whatever, a decorative or useful household item, and a food item. So those were all the things that you needed to include in your box for $30 or less. Now, of course, we all get subscription boxes, almost all of us, and we could just pull from our stash, that kind of thing. And of course, you got with the person who you were sending something to and kind of like, let them know the type of things that you like to give them an idea of things that they should send to you. So there are 10 of us. I don't know everybody's name, so again, we're going to have to refer to this. Okay, so we have Lauren Perkins. I am not familiar with her channel, so this is what I love about doing collabs like this. I'll get to an opportunity to check out another YouTube channel. Then we have Linda from Mature Sass. I'm sure you guys, most of you have to know who Linda is. Love, love, love Linda. We have Alicia Martin. She was part of the collab that I did the last time, and I have been able to get on her channel now and again, but not as much as I would like to. Super, super sweet lady. Then we have Jean Louise. I love Jean Louise. Who doesn't love Jean Louise? Then we have Sandra Brooks Brown. Also love her. I started watching her channel as well, but again, I need to make my way back over to all of these channels. I haven't been on them as much as I would like to be. Then we have Jean's Junk. I love Jean from Jean's Junk. She's so super sweet. Then, of course, Pat from Blessed GMP. Who doesn't love Pat? And then we have Shannon from Oh My. I am not familiar with her channel either, and she's actually the one who sent me this box today. So I'm definitely going to be jumping over to her channel to check out all of the fun stuff she has going on there. And then, oh, look, Amber. That's me, Amber Meeks. And then Alex from All That with Alex. Now, Alex is the one that I got in this collab, so I had to send her a box of goodies. So make sure after you're done watching this video that you at least check out Alex's to see what I sent to her. But of course, I want you to jump over to all of these wonderful ladies' channels and check out what they got for this collab, and also maybe see what other videos they have and see if you like their content, and hopefully you will subscribe. All right, so I think that was one heck of an introduction here with my iPad. So without further ado, let's see what I got in my box. Okay, guys, so here's my box. Woo! I'm so super stoked. Okay, so when I open this up, we have some fun colored tissue paper. Woo! Okay, so let's take all the tissue. Wow, confetti galore. I'm going to have a little bit of a mess to clean up. Oh my gosh, this is really full, guys. Woo, look at that. Yay, a little sneak peek. So let's go ahead and start with the card here. It says Happy Easter right on the card. It's got palm trees on it. You guys see that? So cute. Okay, let's open this up and see what the card says. Hi, friend. Oh, how cute. Look at that. Oh, I love it. That is so adorable. I love the pastel-y colors. Hello, just wanted to tell you I had so much fun putting this together. I really hope you enjoy everything. I want to wish you a very happy and blessed Easter. Can't wait to watch everybody's videos. Happy Easter, Shannon from Oh My. So cute. Yay! So again, I haven't made my way over to Shannon's channel, so I'm definitely going to be doing that because obviously that gives me, her sending me this box of goodies is just a great beginning for us to start to get to know each other better. Okay, so, oh my gosh, I don't know where to start. She really packed this full. I guess this is like an Easter basket, so I don't want to mess that up, but oh my God, I love Sour Patch Kids. Who doesn't love Sour Patch Kids? Yes! I am so excited. And you know what? I haven't had them in a while. Love, love, love Sour Patch Kids. Awesome choice. That is super fun. Okay, my hair keeps getting in my face. A foaming sugar scrub. Champagne Wishes. Honey and pear with honey extract. Okay, that sounds pretty awesome. Wow! I'm so excited. Okay. So this is this is a beautiful paparazzi necklace. Let me take it out of the plastic, guys, because I know you're going to get a glare if I don't. Oh, look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh, look how great it would look with what I have on right now. This is so pretty, guys. Oh my gosh, I hope that you guys are getting it. Look how pretty it would be with what I have on right now. So pretty. Wow, what a great choice. Love it, love it, love it. Ah, that is so fun. Okay, so then we have, a milk chocolate bunny. Has some confetti on it. So we got a milk chocolate bunny. Yay. I told her I love chocolate, and she's definitely delivering. Oh, and I think I said I like sour too. So she is definitely delivering on all of that. So Airheads lip balm. Oh, that is fun. Yay. And I use lip balm all the time. All the time, literally. I'm like a lip balm junkie. So that's awesome. Yay. Oh my gosh, that is so fun. Oh, look. Look how fun she made this. Oh, stop. They're little chicks. She made this so fun. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. Oh, we have little chocolate eggs. Yes, that is so cute. She's making this so much fun. I love it. I just love, love, love it. Okay, this is so fun. Oh, we have a candle. Hello, a vanilla scented candle. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Look at that. That is so great, guys. Yay! Oh my gosh, I love the vanilla scent. That is so pretty. Okay, should I just keep... Oh, she's got bath bombs in here. Look at this. So fun. So I'm going to use the bath bombs for my son, actually, for when he takes his baths, because I really don't take baths very much, but he's going to love these. That is going to be so much fun. Yay! So more of the little chocolate eggs, but look at the little... That is so cute. She did this up so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. And then we have grow eggs. Oh, that's fun. So I guess you put these in water, right? Yes, I think you put it in water. Yeah. And then they grow. That is so fun. My son is going to love this. This is going to be so fun to do with him. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so that's cool. All right, make sure that I got everything out of the side here. What is this? Oh, this looks beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, how pretty. Oh, this is beautiful. So it's a cross. It says blessed and happy Easter on it. That is beautiful, guys. I am just starting to bring out my Easter decorations. I'm a little behind, but this is awesome. This is so pretty. Oh, that's awesome. So that's going to go with my Easter decor. Maybe I'll do a house tour and you guys can see it all. So this here... Oh my gosh. Oh, it's purple. Look at how cute the little bucket is. Ah, that is so cute. I love it. It is so adorable. And purple is my favorite color. I think I might have mentioned that to her. So that's awesome. And look, we have some little Easter bunny headband. That is adorable. I'll probably definitely be wearing those on the channel. Okay, so let me put this here so I don't make a big mess of things. Okay, so now we're going to dig in the Easter basket, guys. Ooh! So it is a beach house palette. So let me show you this part of it first. Look how fun that is. Oh, that is so fun. I love it. All right, guys, I'm going to open this up. Well, I think I am. I hope I am because I want to show you guys the colors. And, like, I want to see the colors. I don't think I brought anything back here. I have these scissors, but they're not working as good as I would like for them to. So that's awesome. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh my gosh. I am so sorry, but I really want to see what's in here. I'm sorry. Don't tune away. I want you guys to see the rest of the stuff. Oh my gosh. I will leave a timestamp to when I finally get this open because this is terrible. Oh my gosh, this is sealed up so good, you guys. Like, I am honestly going to have to, like, probably pause you and come back. I'm going to pause you and come back. I'm so sorry. Okay, guys, so sorry that I, like, totally ruined this unboxing, but I really wanted to see what these colors looked like, and I don't feel like you could see them through the neon. But look at how pretty this palette is. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look at that. Yes! I love those blues. That is so awesome. They match my hair like perfectly. This is awesome. So I'm super excited to use this palette. That is so fun. Okay, let's keep going. I'm so sorry I had to do that. I really, truly am. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, it's a face mask. Okay, I always take stuff out of the plastic because with my setup here, I feel like you get some major glare if I don't do that. So I feel like you can't see what the stuff is. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at that. Nice pastel-y mask. That is so great. And it's got Easter eggs on it. So that is so fun. Yes! Love it, love it, love it. That is so cute. Ooh, and she's got more. I love these little guys. They're so cute. I'll probably reuse these for my son's Easter basket. And it has some more of the chocolate eggs in there. Yes! That is so fun. She made this so super fun. I love it. Oh, how cute are these? So these are slipper socks. They're like no show slipper socks. How cute are those? Yay! So they're like no-sew socks. I love it. Okay, super cute. Love it, love it. Oh, how cute is this? A lollipop bouquet. Oh, it's adorable. Look at that. Oh, how cute is that, guys? That is so adorable. I love, love, love it. That is so cute. Ah! It's got all kinds of different little animals in it. That is so adorable. Oh my goodness, she went crazy. Oh, this is a perfect color for me. So we have, it's a toast color LA Colors blush. Yes, that is a great color for me. I love it. Perfect. So that's awesome. She's definitely putting a ton of fun stuff in here. So we have the eye patches, the gold eye patches. I use these all the time, guys. I'll take all the help I can get for my poor eyes. And then, oh, I wanted to try one of these. Oh, this is so fun. So this is a bubble face mask. I see people doing these on their channels, and I wanted to try one, but I haven't bought one yet. So this is exciting. I get to taste test it. I don't suggest eating the bubble mask, but I get to test it out before I buy some. So that's exciting. Thank you. Woo! That is so fun. And then we have a Bow to the Brow mascara. I think it's a brown one though. Yeah, it looks like it's brown. So I'm going to have to pass this off to my niece probably because I can't use this color. It doesn't match me, but that's okay. It's definitely going to get used. I promise you that. That's awesome. Okay. So, oh, how cute. And then a cute little bunny. I'll put this with my Easter decor along with that beautiful, beautiful cross. I feel like I broke a nail or something, but I'll put this in there. That is so cute. I love, love, love it. Ah, what is this? A shower burst. Ooh. Revitalizing eucalyptus. Okay, I've seen these, but I've never tried one. So I'm really pumped to try that. That's exciting. Yes, I'm super pumped. This will be so super fun. I have never tried one of these before, but I've seen them. So I'm really excited to give that a go. What else? Oh my goodness, she's got so much fun stuff in here, guys. And the confetti. Okay, so we have a beautiful, beautiful spring towel. Look at that, guys. Yes! This is awesome. I love, love, love it. Okay, so this is definitely going to go perfect with the rest of the decor when I finally get my Easter decorations out. I am so far behind, guys, and I want to talk about how far behind I am. So there are a couple more things in this little basket. Ooh, we have this beautiful, it looks like it's like a pinkish red. Well, there's another bath bomb, which is awesome. I'm super stoked to try those out with my son. And the shade is in the near fuchsia. So I was right, like a pink, like a hot pinky color. So I hope you guys are getting that. I'm not sure if you are or not, but it'll probably take me 200 years to take that off. So I'm just saying I would love to like, swatch it for you, but I don't know. Maybe I am getting it. No, it didn't take me long at all. So let's go ahead and do a swatcheroo for you guys because this color, this color is going to be phenomenal for me. Yes. Look at that, guys. Yay! Awesome. Wow. What an awesome little basket of goodies. Shannon, you did an awesome job. Everything is so, so awesome. I love every single thing that you sent to me. This is so fun. Oh my gosh. And the purple bunny. I'm definitely putting this out with my little Easter decor as well. This is so adorable. Wow, Shannon, you really outdid yourself. I hope that you didn't go over the budget. I know how hard it is when you're maxed out at $30 to try to make things look nice, but you did an amazing job and I'm so super excited. I'm so glad that I was able to be part of this collab with you, and I can't thank you enough for putting such a nice little basket of goodies together for me. All right, guys, make sure that you jump over and check out all of the other ladies in this collab. I will have everybody linked in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. I think my hand was off when I did that because I have all this like stuff here. So I'm wondering if I should, I'm talking to you guys and you guys aren't going to see this probably in the bloopers, but you know what I'm saying. Let's try it again. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. What day am I putting this on? I have no idea. It's not going to be on a day. It's going to be whenever they tell me to. So, what day is the 15th? All right, hold on. What's up, gorgeous people? I don't like this. Oh my gosh, try it one more time. Today is normally Make It Monday, but I am in a collab. So, we are part of, this is going awesome. Let's try it again. So, Pat from Blessed GMP put together an Easter collab, and 10 of us ladies decided we wanted to be a part of it. So, there were some, all right, how do I even do this? Like, I am sucking, dude. I suck so bad. Today is normally Make It Monday, but I am part of a collab. This is not working, dude. How? Try it again. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is normally a bad hair day. Apparently every day is a bad hair day. That's not, it ain't working. Today is normally Make It Monday, but because I am part of a collab, I am...